Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough on this trade-in 2016 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. As you can see, this one has the swim patio option. Moving around to the transom of the boat. This boat is powered by twin Mercury Verado 225s with digital throttle and shift, trim tabs, and underwater lights. Entering the boat, you'll see a nice fold-down transom seat, livewell in the leaning post. This particular boat is powered by twin Raymarine screens, Raymarine VHF, and Fusion stereo. Flip-up bolsters. Moving forward, you have the forward seating with flip-up backrest. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2016 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.